Hello everyone, let's start with the question 11th. Why is wave theory of electromagnetic radiation not able to explain photoelectric effect? And the second part is how does photon picture resolve this problem? Okay. So the explanation based on EM theory does not agree with the experimental observation which contain instantaneous nature, maximum kinetic energy of emitted photoelectron is independent of intensity, existence and threshold frequency on the photoelectric effect. These are the reasons. And the second part is how does photon picture resolve this problem? The photon picture resolves this problem by saying that light in interaction with matter waves as if it is made of quanta or packets of energy. Each of energy h nu. This picture enables us to get a correct explanation of all the observed experimental features of photoelectric effect. And also for the second mark of the student, just write the photon gives picture gives the Einstein photoelectric equation, that is kinetic energy max equals to EV naught, which is equals to h nu minus phi naught, which provides a correct explanation to the observed feature of the photoelectric effect.